No second chance. That you have to do whatever you have to do. This is where you do it. But once you close your eyes, it's too late. It was a great evangelist. Serve God. 1,000 or souls for Christ. But he had an experience one day. He died. And then he saw himself come through a very bright, beautiful place and came to a gate. He said there was an angel there. So the angel stopped him and said, "What is your name?" He called his name, the great evangelist. And he checked the records. And he looked at the records. 1 source for Christ. He tried to make a case. The angel said, "But sir, I'm sorry. Your name is not here." He said, "I have no choice. I have to appeal my case to the white throne." He said, when he came there, the place was so bright until every single thing he did, from the time he came to the age of accountability, was all there, naked before him. Every little lie he told. So the voice now said, he said, "Paul, when you were on earth, did you ever tell a lie?" He said, "There was not even time to think." He said, "Yes." He said, "Though I thought He said, "Did you take anything that didn't belong to you?" "Yes." "Did you do this?" "Yes." "Did you do that?" "Yes." Voice. Sweetest voice. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
And he saw the most beautiful face. And that voice said, he said, "Father, though Paul was not perfect while he was on the earth, but he stood for me. Though he did all those things, but he stood for me." He said, "Now I stand for him. Take all his sins and put it in my account." My brother, if your own time comes, who will stand for you? Do you have one there? Or will you face God as a church member? Will you face God that love your neighbor, that didn't kill anybody, but you accuse many people falsely? You hated people. And the Bible said if you hate somebody, you are equal to a murderer. You are a murderer. How will you face God? Shall we rise to our feet? And Lord, the Bible said that it shall not return to you void, but it must accomplish the purpose for which you sent it. Lord, if I have spoken the truth, if I've told them your word, Eberegbunam Emecheta,